Hello my friends, the work continue with pilot. Now I have to find how to cut this part of the pilot in order to have the right height into the car. To discover this I have to mount the head on the body, but I have to take the head out in order to finish to work the helmet, paint the face and so on. So I decided to make a little hole and another little hole here in. Okay, then a screw. And two. Why do I made two? Because this is the driver and this is the co-driver. This has to stay lower and this in front, this back. Now I can put the pilot inside the car. About here and here. They are a little bit too high, but not so much. I think that before I work this and then this. Now this work requires a lot of trials. I have to cut and then check, cut and check, cut and check. I will show you when both pilots are ready to be mounted inside the car. Then we build the seats, seat belts, arms. Perhaps there is something to modify because this is a little bit too long. I have to Here we are. This is the final position. Now I can do two things: the seats or finish the pilots. Now the driver is quite okay. Yes, this is a nice position. One hand on the steering wheel, the other on the brake. And now I have to finish, because this arm is not in a very nice and good position. It's too thin here. Here we will have, now it's very large, but we will have the seat with these two parts that are bended like this, and these two to hold the helmet. And I have to make the two holes for these, 1 and 2. And so what next? The co-driver, no problem. Arms are in a good position. It will have in hand something, but it's maybe one arm up. Hello. It's nice. But this comes later. First I have to finish modeling the arms and finishing the body. After this there's a big work, because this is not the right helmet. Here we will have a little bit of structure that comes up to here, then square, and here there's a piece of the helmet that goes about here, covers the mouth. And here we have a problem, because I have to paint the face of the pilot, and with a part of the helmet over it's not possible. And when I finish to modify the helmet in a more modern way, I have to paint it. So I think that I will start modeling the parts I have to add here in front of the mouth. Then I will finish the pilot as well as I can. With a screw for the head is good. I don't glue the head. I will paint the face with all the things I have to paint. Then I will cover the face, once it's dry, with a vinyl glue that gets out, that melts with water. But when I spray the helmet, I will spray also the vinylic glue, and I don't know if with the varnish over it will melt. So I have to do a test. And to do a test, I take a very bad piece of plastic. This one. Oh, yes. Then I paint this little piece of plastic . Perfect. I let this paint dry, then I will cover with glue. This is a fantastic super, the strongest I know. There is another one very strong. It is a Japanese one. I don't have it here now. I will let this glue to dry. Then I will spray. Then I let everything dry, and in 6 months perhaps I can put this plastic into water and see what does it happens. If this glue melts, and what happens to this paint once I take this glue melted, so softer, I peel it off. If it works, I can do on the pilots. Otherwise, I have to think another thing. This is my way to have a putty. I don't have at the moment any plastic putty, so I try to melt the plastic. It is very soft because it is the one I scraped from the body of the pilot. Then I do this with glue. And working, it melts and I can feel holes. And the arm and the shoulder will be quite nice. Here a little bit more, a little piece. Wow, this arm. I used to do all this work. This is not dry. I work. I leave it here for 20 minutes. Then I return and press, and you see that the arm, it's not perfect. There are a lot of things to, but it's better than before. Perhaps a little bit higher. Yes, or down. Down, I prefer down. Wait few hours. This is dry. Now I spray it, then let it dry. Then we can have the test for peeling out the glue. I have only black. I spray in black. But it has to be entirely covered. Perfect. Well, I need the Tamiya TS white. Right, this is one. Now, next, I finished pilot arms. Later I will have to do. It's not an easy work. This, with this part of the helmet that gets on, and this visor that is quite tricky, perhaps just something like. Then color, black, red, and about color I have an idea. I will speak about this in the next video. By now, for today, not too many things, but a lot of time. And the most important thing is that we spoke together, and this is nice. No matter the finish of the model, when you finish a model, also the game finishes. So the more you take, the better you are. Ciao!